The temperature of the soldering station should be set between 240 to 300 Celsius degrees. First, light up the module and use the mark pen to mark the folded lamp beads. Unplug the power and signal cable and tear down the shader. Remove the shader. Use a cotton stick to gently scratch off the black rubber around the lamp bead and expose the pins. Use the soldering iron to add some tin to one side first and slowly stick it up. Then add some tin to the other side and stick it up. And remove the lamp bead. Take out the new lamp bead and put it back in the position. You may pay attention to the direction of the small black dot on the lamp bead to make it consistent with others on the module. Use the soldering iron to fix one side first while pressing the lamp bead with the tweezers. Then fix the other side by the same. Check whether the problem has been fixed.